Most people who are new in the world of crypto think that coins and tokens are just different words with the same meaning. However, after wandering around in our digital universe a little longer, you will find out that there is a difference. My name is Josh, and while some people use tokens and coins interchangeably, there is a difference, and today I will explain every little one of them. To start off, let's first define what a coin is. A crypto coin is an asset that has its own blockchain, as opposed to running on another crypto's asset's blockchain. A good example for this is the mother of all cryptos, Bitcoin. The Bitcoin, created by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008, is the very first crypto that was ever invented and runs on its own blockchain. Another famous example is Ethereum. So now we know what a coin is, let's take a look at tokens. Tokens are, as you might guess, the opposite to coins. Tokens are assets that don't have their own blockchain. A good example is Tether, a stable coin that runs on the Bitcoin blockchain. Seems quite simple, right? So let's do a quick quiz. Monero is an asset that runs on its own blockchain. Is it a coin or a token? Leave your answers down in the comment section below. Another difference to remember is that coins are usually being used for one thing, which are payments most of the time. Tokens, on the other hand, often have various uses. For example, they can be used for payments and at the same time give you permission to have access to a product or a service. For example, the basic attention token is used in the Brave web browser ecosystem. Advertisers pay publishers with audiences in BAT. Audience members receive BAT for viewing advertisers' ads, and audience members can use that BAT to donate to publishers or keep the BAT for themselves. You might wonder, what can I do now with this information? It is important to know the assets you're willing to invest in through and through. So next time you read about a token you're interested in, find out what blockchain it's running, and if it's stable and safe, and what its purposes are. And for a coin, find out how it differs from other coins, and who built the blockchain. Now that you have a better knowledge of what coins and tokens you want to invest in, you can simply add them to your Cryptohopper account through your base config and select coins and amounts. Still wondering more about coins and tokens? In the description you can find a video explaining all different types of them to you. Don't forget to leave a like on the video and click the subscribe button. And as always, happy hopping!